the data into a sequence in ascending order, and the data with us here is 1, 3, 5, 9, 11, and 13. So first we find here is Q1. Okay, for Q1 the formula with us is 1 by 4 times n plus 1th value, and total n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 4. So 7 by 4, this gives us the value of 4 ones or 4 point and 1.7. So that means the first quarter lies between the first and second value 1.7 at 1.7th place. Okay, so here now we have to take the average or the mean of first and second value. So the first value is 1 and the second value is 3 over 2, and the mean is with us 2. So here the Q1 or the lower quartile value is 2. So we can write here the 2 is our lower quartile. And now we write Q2. For Q2, the formula with us is 1 by 2 times 1 over 2 times n plus 1, and this becomes 7 over 2, and 2 threes are 6, and then we put a point, 2 fives are 10, 3.5. So that means the third value and fourth value. So the third value is 5 and fourth value is 9. So we have to take a mean of 5 and 9 because the Q2 falls between 5 and 9. So what we do is 5 plus 9 over 2. Okay, so this gives us 5 plus 9 is 14 over 2 and 7. So 7 is in fact our Q2. Okay, and now we find Q3, and the formula for Q3 is 3 by 4 times n plus 1, and this gives us the answer 21 over 4. 4 fives are 20, 21, and 4 twos are 8, 5.2, and that means the value between 5 and 6. So the value at 5 is 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sixth value is 13. So we take a mean of fifth and sixth value. So it will be like 11 plus 13 over 2, and this gives us 3 plus 1 4, and 1 plus 1 2. 24 over 2 is equal to 12. So the 12 here is our Q3. So now we found lower quartile, middle quartile, and upper quartile. Okay, so the IQR or interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So this gives us 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So 10 is IQR, interquartile range with us. And median is equal to Q2. Q2 is in fact the median. and Q2 with us is 7 here. So the 7 is the median and upper quartile and lower quartile. So here we finish the question number 2, and we go back to here question number 3. And in question number 3, the numbers are from -3 to highest number is 6. So we have to solve the question number 3 as well in the same with the same procedure. Let me have a new one. And in question number 3, what we do is we write from the lowest to highest. And the lowest number here is -7, and then it's -3, and the next number with us is 0, and the next number with us are 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, and the next number with us is 1, 2, 3, 3 fives. 1, 2, 3 fives, and a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we are over with writing our numbers. So now start solving. So our first Q1, which we find it will be 1 by 4 times n plus 1. So we have got here 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, right? So 11 over 4, and 11 over 4, this gives us 4 twos are 8 point, 4 sevens are 28, right? 2.7. So it should fall between the second value and the third value. So the second value is -3 and third value is 0. So this will give us -3 plus 0, doesn't matter, over 2, right? So this will give us -1.5. Okay, so we will be, it will be, the lower quartile will be here at -1.5. We solve for Q2, that gives us 11 by 2, and that gives us 2 fives or 10.5.5, and the value between the fifth and sixth value. So we have to take an average or the mean of fifth and sixth value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth value 1, and sixth value is also 1. So if we take the mean of 1 plus 1, right? So 1 plus 1 over 2, so that again gives us is 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so our Q2 is again, it's 1, and then we find Q3, and Q3 is 3 by 4 times 11, and that gives us 33 over 4, and if we divide 33 by 4, 4 eights are 32, and we put a point, and 4 twos are 8. 8.2, that means the 8th value and 9th value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the eighth value and ninth value both are 5. So if we take a mean of 5 plus 5 divided by 2, this again gives us 5. So our Q3 is 5. And interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And Q3 is 5 minus Q1 is minus 1.5, and this gives us 6.5. Yes, 6.5 is our IQR, and median is equal to Q2 is equal to 1. So this is the answer for our third question.